Hello friends, welcome back to Promote Health and Wellness YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Girish CM. I'm an orthopedic and sports physiotherapist. Today I'll be discussing about TheraBand exercises for chest and shoulder muscles. Before starting with TheraBand exercises, I'll give a little description about the TheraBand. So TheraBand comes with various colors with different resistance. It has yellow color, then it comes with a red color, then it comes with a green color, then it comes with a blue, then it comes with a black, then it comes with a silver color. As first I told you, the yellow will be for the beginners. Now I would like to use the red color for a demonstration purpose. As we have there is a green color, I have the red colors. So red will be little lesser resistance compared to the green. So I will use this red color for the demonstration purpose, as it has a little lesser resistance, so that there won't be much loading on the muscles initially. Before starting with therapeutic exercises, we need to do warm-up exercises so that muscles will get warm before going into therapeutic exercises. So now let us start with free movements. We call it a warm-up exercise. So we'll start with the wrist. So that, clockwise, then after anti-clockwise. Then let us do for the biceps. That is elbow bending and straightening for about 10 to 15 times. You can do it, depends on your timing. Then after, shoulder taking adduction, then taking out for the chest muscles. Slowly, we should not go, moving front and back. Then after shoulder rotations, slowly, when you are doing it, when you do this, muscle will get prepared for therapeutic exercises, as therapeutic has a different resistance. So like this. Then after, you need to do shoulder elevation. So once you do all these things, the muscles will be ready for therapeutic exercises, so that there will be minimal injury to the muscles or to the joints. Hello friends, as previously I told you that I will be using a red color for the demonstration purpose. Now I am going to start with shoulder muscles. That is deltoid muscle. Deltoid muscle has 3 fibers: anterior, middle and posterior. The first I'll be starting with middle fibers. We call it a lateral rise. So how to use TheraBand for the lateral rise? So you need to hold with both the hand, and then after you need to place the foot under the black sheet. So like this, you need to stand. Now we need to do lateral rise. When you are doing a lateral rise, the elbow should be straight. So slowly you need to lift it up. You should take it to 90 degree. Slowly you need to take it down. Like this, you need to be lifting it and taking it down. When you are doing it, you need to take inspiration, then after expiration. Then slowly you need to release it. When you are taking it up, you should take it, inspire well. Then while coming down, you need to exhale well. Like this. You should never do like this, faster. Okay. So this is not going to help us. So you need to do it very gently. You need to lift it up. Like this, then slowly down. So like this, you need to repeat for 10 to 30 times. It depends on your muscle loading. Slowly, you need to take it down. After every 10 numbers, you need to give a rest, so that muscle will get a good rest, so that next set you can do it with properly. Otherwise, you end up with any injuries. One more. Yes, that's good. Next exercise I'm going to show is front rise. That is mainly for the anterior deltoid. here we have a two form of exercise. One is in a short arc, another one is in a long arc. So first let me show a short arc. So when you are doing a short arc, you should slightly bend the elbow like this. So this is a short arc where you're not going to load it on the elbow or on the shoulder. So it will be very gently you will be doing it. So this is short arc for the anterior deltoid muscle. So there is a long arc where you are going to keep your elbow straight and you are going to lift it at the front like this. 1, 2, 3. So here you are keeping elbow straight and you are lifting it. So this will be more load on the anterior deltoid muscle. So this should be repeated for 10 times each set. Like this, 3 sets should be completed. Gradually, depends on how much load you are going to take it on the shoulder muscles. Now I am going to show for the posterior deltoid muscle TheraBand exercises. So where you need to stand like this. So you need to take it slowly back side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you are going to take your hand back side so that the load will be on the posterior muscles of the deltoid. So if you want, you can even go closer so that less resistance will happen. If you come more back side, you will have more loading. So always take it much closer initially, then you do the movement so that the lesser the resistance will be. So the same way this one should be repeated for 10 to 30 times, depends on the number of setting. So each set should be around 8 to 10 numbers, like that 3 sets should be completed. Now I am going to start for the chest muscles. The first one is horizontal chest press. So you need to plug it to the backside window like this, equal length. Then after you need to hold it. So here you need to you can keep in a walking position if you much comfortable. Then slowly you need to take it. So this is called chest press, horizontal chest press. So this you can do it with elbow straight. So no bending at the elbow, not like this. It should be, you need to pull it fully straight with elbow straight and take closer to both the wrist. Should come like this, then touch both the hands. Slowly it should come, then once again touch the hand. So this is for the chest muscles, that is the pectoralis muscles. So this should be repeated for 10 numbers as each set. So should be completed 3 sets like this. Now I am going to show a decline chest press for the pectoralis muscle once again. So here the placement of the TheraBand should be like this. You need to be placed just above the horizontal level. You need to be placed just above this. So you need to hold it in a walking position, then gradually you need to take it down. So here elbow should be straight. So this is decline chest press. So you can see it here. There will be once again loading on the chest muscles. When you do like this, it doesn't give you much accuracy on the loading. So always you should do with the elbow straight and you need to pull it down. When you pull it down, you will get a loading on the chest muscle. Now I am going to show inclined chest press. So in this, the TheraBand position should be, you should take it at the most lowest level to the equally. So like this. Now here you need to make once again in a walking style. Here instead of taking it to horizontal, you should take it towards a elbow level. Slowly you should make elbow straight. Then take it elbow straight, touch to the palm, or you call it another gripping. Then back. Then slowly make it elbow straight. Then touch. Then back. Then lift it up. Then slowly back. So like this you need to repeat for 10 numbers, and each set should be 10 numbers. Like that you should repeat for 3 sets. Now I am going to show horizontal chest fly. So before I have shown a chest press, now I am going to show horizontal chest fly. So before we used to do like this, elbow straight and touching to the grips together. Now it's like a fly. So you need to make your elbow straight with more of abduction. Then you should take it towards adduction. Then from away, then to the closer. So this is horizontal chest fly. So here there will be lots of loading on the chest muscles, along with the controlling of your deltoid muscles. So like this you need to do it for 10 numbers. Repeat like this for 3 sets. Each set, after that you need to give 1 to 2 minutes rest if possible. Okay. Now last exercise I am going to show is inclination chest fly. So here the band should be as much as the lower side, and your hand should be in a grip on both the hands. Then after you need to keep it elbow straight. Here the previous exercise I shown horizontal fly. Here what you are supposed to do is with the same elbow straight, but you are supposed to take towards your head like this. So here this is inclination chest fly. So it's a kind of a fly. So here both the hands coming towards the head, so that the chest muscles will be loaded well. So the more you come front, the more resistance you will have it. Depends on the resistance level and the workload. We can plan accordingly. So here you need to do 10 numbers of each set and should be completed 3 sets. And each set you need to give 1 to 2 minutes of break so that muscle will be relaxed. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon for a future notification. God bless you all. Stay safe.